Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java step by step. To begin your journey, first understand fundamental concepts like variables and data types. Next, set up your development environment by installing a Java Development Kit, or JDK. Then, select an integrated development environment, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, to write and run your code efficiently. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience and will save you time later on. Now dive into the core of Java programming. Focus on control flow statements, including if-else conditions and various loop types, which dictate program execution. Next, explore the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to writing small programs. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your understanding and building confidence in your coding abilities. As you progress, expand your knowledge to include arrays and the Java Collections framework, which offers powerful data structures. Also, learn about exception handling to manage errors gracefully in your programs. A crucial step is to work on a simple project, perhaps a calculator or a basic to-do list application. This hands-on experience will help you apply concepts and develop problem-solving skills, including effective debugging techniques. To sustain your learning, continuously utilize online tutorials, official Java documentation, and reputable coding platforms as valuable resources. Engage with developer communities, both online and offline, to ask questions, share insights, and learn from others' experiences. Remember, learning Java is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. Plan to explore more advanced topics and build increasingly complex applications to solidify your expertise over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.